Hazrat Ata, Zuhri, Amr bin Dinar, and Qatada said the same. Amr bin Dinar said, perfume should be from the total property of the dead. Ibrahim said, first one should shroud, then pay debt, then distribute for a will. Sufyan said, the labor cost for digging the grave and giving bath is included in the expenses of shroud. Hazrat Saad has reported from his father that one day a meal was brought to Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu. So he said, Hazrat Moosa bin Umair, who was better than I, was martyred, but nothing was found to shroud him except a rape around. Hazrat Hamza or someone else who was better than I was martyred, but nothing was available to shroud him saves a rape around. I fear lest we should be given the reward of our good deeds promptly in the worldly life. Then he started weeping. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1274.